Wrong house. Massive mistake. Think you can outsmart a 100-pound guard dog? Watch what happens when trespassers find out the hard way. These dogs don't play.
I got it.
Vamos, mulher. Vamos, filho. Que é bem. Mas. Você bem, tem que estar aqui. É bem.
You ain't got no weapons on you, right, Jason? Oh. Forward! No, so in the event that say Jason wants to, try to do something down here, man. Oh, no! He's gonna come up, he's gonna take him. Come on, Sonny! Who's Lenny? Boy! I call him up.
Have any money? I just need some money for some water. It's just water. I'm really thirsty. What? Why would you say that? Hey, I just need some money. Give me a little bit of money. Give me a little bit of money. Hey, give me money. Hey. Ah!
Don't run! Murife! Don't run!
Oh shit. Who'd you think was here? Were you trying to back? Quit being there!